2 ways to build sports AI, a shared community benchmark for soccer, and a single validation study for a commercial skateboarding sensor. These 2 papers sit at opposite ends of how sports AI gets built in 2026, a large, repeatedly run community benchmark concentrating effort on one team sport, against a single lab's validation of one commercial wearable for one individual sport. Neither approach is more correct than the other, they answer different questions, at different scales. As a challenge results paper rather than a single method paper, SoccerNet's contribution is infrastructural, a shared benchmark, run for a 6th consecutive year, against which hundreds of teams' methods can be compared under identical conditions. This concentrates a large amount of collective effort onto a small number of well-defined tasks in one sport. Whether the resulting gains are specific to soccer's particular camera angles and rules, or transfer to other team sports, is not addressed by the challenge itself. The result here is uneven rather than uniformly positive. The device is validated for detecting that a trick occurred, and for distance, but not for classifying which trick it was, nor for speed, height, or airtime. This is a useful reminder that a device described as AI validated can carry a narrower claim than it sounds like. Detection and measurement turned out to have different validity within the same sensor, so passing one part of a pipeline does not establish the rest. These 2 papers make a useful contrast precisely because they differ in almost every dimension except publication year, community scale versus single lab validation, a global team sport versus an individual trick sport, open benchmarking versus proprietary hardware assessment. If there is a shared lesson, it may be that sports AI in 2026 is not one field on one trajectory, but several distinct efforts running in parallel, with limited evidence so far on how findings from one setting transfer to another.